Today I'll show you how to make 100% natural homemade red food color recipe. It helps to make your dishes more saturated and beautiful. We will need beetroots, which we grate and dry until it turns very dry, without moisture. It starts looking like a black tea. Next step, we grind these dried beets in a coffee grinder. Here is a powder that we got. It must be stored in a dry place. We have prepared such a hermetically sealed jar. And don't forget to use a dry spoon when you take it to make a gorgeously looking tomato paste or sauce or dal. Enjoy your cooking. Hare Krishna.
Hare Rāma, Rāma Rāma. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Rāma, Rāma Rāma, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Rāma, Rāma Rāma.